Okay, so this is the way that I found out how to fix the Adobe Photoshop errors that I've been having. So you just go to your search bar on the bottom and hit Adobe. And then you hit Adobe Creative Cloud in your apps. I just brought it up earlier, and apparently it brought it up a little closer. It's all the way to the top here, and it used to be down in here in apps. So, or you could actually type in the whole thing, Adobe Creative Cloud, and then your app comes up. If you're already signed in, it's going to go straight in. If not, you're going to have to sign into your app. And then over here, if you're not up to date, it will say install or update. Mine's completely up to date because I just did that, and everything is working now. Before, when I was trying to save something, it would say that I didn't have enough RAM, and now, as you can see, I'll just save this to the desktop for giggles. It just saved it. So before, it would not let me do that at all. It would not let me go into preferences. Let's see if it fixed that. I don't even know if it did or not. Preferences and performance. Let's see if this fixed that problem. And voila, now I can get into there too. And before, neither one of those worked. So, and there's all kinds of options in here to change stuff as well. But right now it's working great. So that's the way I did it. Once again, just click Adobe down here. Then bring up your app, Creative Cloud. You'll have to sign in if you're not signed in. And if you don't have this, you need to go to the internet and then get the Adobe Creative Cloud app. So you just, go to internet, go to Google. Sorry, I'm filming as I go here, so. And then Adobe Creative Cloud. And then enter. And make sure it's an Adobe site, because you don't want to see this. So this is sparkadobe.com. I like to always go down and make sure. See, www.adobe.com Creative Cloud HTML. So that's an actual Adobe site. You don't want to click another site that's in some other site that's not Adobe. If it don't say adobe.com up here, you're not in the right place. Now that I have it, it says choose a plan. And before, when I didn't have the app, it said you could download the app up in here. So it must know that I have the app. So now it's just telling me to choose a plan. But last time I had to download the app on this page, on this particular computer, for some reason it wasn't working. There was an error on that as well. So then I re-downloaded the app, and then I brought up the app down here like I showed you, and everything's working just fine now. And then afterwards you can just click out of your thing. Oops. I just hit another version of Photoshop or something. Huh. It left an old Photoshop icon down here. Now I have two for some reason. Very strange. But at least it's working. So hopefully that works for you, and you can start getting to work and doing your projects, and it won't give you errors.